Hello, everybody. As you know, Hurricane Irene will be coming shortly to the Jersey Shore and the rest of the eastern coastline. I have something to say about that in the form of a song. Here we go.